In this session, we're going to learn about using the quick analysis tool. So let's suppose we have a bunch of data very similar to this. All you have to do is select the data and then click here in the very bottom right under quick analysis. Now this will show you live previews with the data. Conditional formatting, it's going to format the data within the cells using bars. So notice it uses to highlight interesting data. You can do it color-coded, so maybe that's better for you. Or icons, whether the values went up or down and such, or greater than a certain amount, or specific text. Notice you also have here other tools that you can create charts based on this data, whether it's a cluster chart, so it would look like this, or notice also you have the tab here for the total. It's going to give you the sum or the average or the count of them or the percent total, the running total, and sums as well. Notice it added another column on the right hand side. You can also create additional tables. For example, if you want to create a quick pivot table from here. So suppose we wanted the data charts. There it is. We just simply select it and then apply the values. If we wanted to create a specific chart, click on it. Now when you're working with charts and tables and such, so let's say we are going to create here a pivot table. Any of those, notice it will create a new worksheet here in the bottom. So if I chose here a pivot table, notice it created a quick pivot table. Unselect certain items here from our table and it'll keep on giving us the various values. Or here on the right hand side, you can customize whether you want to show specific sales, whether you want to display the company, and whether you want to apply various filters. And then you want to sort it by various values or industries and such. So if we go here under filters, notice now under the industry, we can choose to display only those specific companies within that selection. This has to do more with pivot tables, but the idea is that you can go here to quick analysis and utilize this tool